Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming Outlook version and checking mailbox size so the archive settings match your needs. Open File Info, then Cleanup Tools Archive to start. This selects folders and date ranges. Once done, choose a PSD destination on a local drive. Make sure it's not a network share to avoid corruption. You do this now because correct source and safe storage prevent data loss. Proceed immediately to pick the folders you want archived. Now configure the archive parameters. Pick the mailbox folders and set the archive items older than date that retains recent mail. Make sure to include items marked to bypass auto archive if you want them archived. This overrides folder-level exemptions. Click OK to run. Outlook will process messages and write them to the chosen PSD file. While it runs, avoid heavy Outlook use. This reduces conflicts and ensures a clean export. If interrupted, to finish, open the created PSD via File Open and Export Open Outlook data file and verify that expected messages and folders are present. Once confirmed, you can delete or move originals from the server to reclaim space. Make sure search and rules still behave as intended. Finally, back up the PSD to an external drive or cloud copy for redundancy. If you encounter missing mail, check Auto Archive date range and the PSD location first. Corruption or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.